Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use DuckDuckGo search engine instead of Google search engine in Google Chrome. So as you can see right now, I have the homepage opened and I have Google over here. I can also use the search bar at the top and try to find something, and of course I will use Google for that. So let's say I'm gonna type music, and as you can see I use Google search engine. Now I can switch that to DuckDuckGo, sorry. What we need to do is go to the top right corner and then click on these three dots here. Now choose settings, go to the left side and choose search engine, and here we have this option, search engine used in the address bar. We can click on Google or anything that you have over here and switch to DuckDuckGo like so. Now if I open a new tab, I will find DuckDuckGo search engine over here, and I can write anything here and I will use this search engine instead, as well as at the top. So I'm gonna use the top search bar instead, and then I'm gonna type videos. And as you can see, I use DuckDuckGo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.